90 plus 10. Skip count. What's the answer? Counting with numicon. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting on. We look at these two numbers, and if you're quick and recognize that the purple is 9, the purple is 9, and the yellow is 3, you know that this is 9 plus 3. Now, there's two strategies in which you can do this. So if you know that that's 9, we call it counting on. So I say 9 in my head, and then I count 1, 2, 3 more. So if I count it like that, that didn't really help. But if I say 9, and then I go 10, 11, 12, then my answer is 12, and that works pretty easy.